So I haven't really been active because I was doing my exams and like it's my final semester and it's finally done. Thank God. And so I kind of just like left my mail as is and I just kind of stocked it up over there at the bench, and it grew and grew and grew, and I don't think I have ever had so many things to unbox before. I'm just gonna jump into it. So let me just start off here. This is from Maybelline. This PR package is so cute, and you can also see my ring light. By the way, I also posted on Instagram stories and I was like, do y'all care that like the lighting is different? Because I just feel like this looks really harsh. Like it looks like you're in a warehouse with me and I don't want you to feel like that. I wish it could be prettier, but let's just work with what we have here, okay? So anyway, back to the point. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. Ooh, okay, so as you can tell from the swatch, right? I already opened it and I initially decided to ditch this video because I was like, I really don't like the lighting. But you guys on Instagram were like, I'm okay, like I don't really care about lighting, like show us what you got. So that's what I'm doing. I actually also want to show you guys that I already did it because I tried to wipe this off to be able to like swatch again on the screen for you guys. The one that I used to swatch was this. This is called Assertive and this is in a set of 12 colors. It's really gorgeous. Oh shit, I accidentally kicked you guys, I'm sorry. Like I can feel it, but and it's creamy and it was light and kind of like sharp. Let me try another color. This is a nude pink kind of trend. It's called Versatile. Okay, very appropriate. Look at that doe foot applicator. Ooh. This is really nice. It is smudge proof. Oh! If only I read the damn poster. Okay, smudge proof, waterproof, super pigmented, non-drying. I agree. Also, sorry if you're like noticing my big ass pimple, it just won't go away. It's just like that stubborn one, but okay, just don't mind it. 12 new shades inspired by New York City, aka my second home, aka wanna go back. Whoa. They didn't even tell me that they were gonna send this. I'm not sponsored in any way, shape or form. I would like to be though, so I need money for rent, so like if you want to sponsor me, hit me up. I actually really want to do like a lip swatch kind of thing. Let me know if you guys are interested because I do happen to have all 12 shades. Next up, not actually from Charles & Keith. I wish though. Again, call me. Also not from Innisfree. I'm just using like random bags I have around the place because the box that it came in was like wet from the rain and it was really disgusting. I really didn't want to keep them in like wet boxes. I'm very excited because these are from Look Fantastic and Illamasqua actually sent me a bunch of stuff and I'm gonna show you guys right now. I'm like constantly leaning in because like I'm a little bit shy. Brenda. The camera is yours. Feel free to move it. Oh, this is way better. Why did I do this before? This is the Experimental Artistry palette. Oh, it's so cute. It's an eyeshadow palette. And check this out. Let's see. Not as like crazy, you know, pigmented or like... It's a little bit patchy, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, orange is better. I think maybe with like Fix Plus or something it might get better. I really want to get more into like proper makeup looks, more experimental looks, so I feel like this one would definitely help me. They are a little bit powdery. I don't know if it's just the top layer or I'm just not using it right. Let me try. I've got one more finger left. It is a little bit chalky. All of them are matte and rainbow shades, so it might be like difficult to work with, but I'm gonna see. I'm gonna withhold my judgment. Right now it's not so good, but... Next is Iconic Chromes Pigment Paint. Yo, this is in purple. Ooh. I feel so much right now. This is what I'm talking about. Did you see how smooth that was? I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. Sorry about that. This is in the shade Audacious. This bronze is in Inspiring and this is in Passionate. Oh my gosh. This isn't pressed. This is... Look at it. Did this break? Oh crap, don't break. I can still definitely use it. It's a loose pigment, but let me see what this... Oh, okay. These two are either like loose pigments. Why is the purple one pressed then? That's so weird. This is their highlighter in Electric. Ooh, check out that packaging. It's like a light purple with pink undertones. Wow. Oh, there's also another highlighter. Girl, you're spoiling me. This is also a silver highlighter, but in the blue undertone. Ooh, this looks like very cool toned highlighter. Wow. Okay, I've never ever had these colors before. I don't have them in my collection. I don't usually gravitate towards them, but I will try it out. There's one more Elemental Artistry palette, the eye palette. Oh, okay. Got a couple of neutrals right here, very warm. You've got a black, you've got a grey, you have a matte white, which is very interesting. A good highlight color, some purple, plums, and like a peach. They are all matte except for this. Alright, I see you, Illamasqua. Okay. Moving on, we have the Ren the Ren Clean Skincare. So these are pillow sprays. See, I don't remember because they're like two small pouches. Ooh, more Illamasqua stuff. Hey. This is the... Why am I holding this and like explaining this? You know what? I'm just gonna roll with it. This is the Mio Fit Skin for Life Liquid Yoga Homeopathic Home Spray. Wow, we're getting a lot of home stuff right now. So that pillow spray, warning, may cause relaxation and happiness. So thanks for the heads up. Powerful essential oils including V Tonic Blend. It's slightly more intense than lavender. There's mentha avances, cypress, I can definitely smell the cypress, lavender, lemon, chamomile, mandarin, and this other thing called cistus lendaniferous. Lendaniferous? I don't know if it's lendaniferous. Guys, I'm like looking like an idiot in all of my videos because I can't pronounce my shit. So this is from Burt's Bees, and I'm a Burt's Bees kind of gal. I have a coconut and pear moisturizing lip balm. Yes, I'm always gonna use lip balm. I'm always gonna love it. And this is the lemon butter cuticle cream, and it comes in a cute little ornament that I think you can hang on your tree too. More Illamasqua stuff. Great pouch, very punk rockish. As you can tell from the side. Illamasqua Christmas Rock and Rouge Lip Kit. We have what I can assume is a lip pencil. I have a lot of lip pencil, but I just don't use it because I'm usually... You know, you do your entire face and by the time you get to lips, you're like, ah. This is the Illamasqua Coloring Pencil in Creative. Oh, great. Okay, the only time I definitely have to use a lip pencil is when it's red. And this is the Antimatter Lipstick in Midnight. I already have two... Ooh. Really beautiful classic red. Sorry, I'm just finding real estate right now. Sorry it's in between my knuckles, but kind of looks like a heart, right? Like a really deformed heart. I have two other Illamasqua lipsticks and I already love the formulation, so I just know that I'm gonna love it. It's called a Jewel Vinyl in the shade Roxy. Very appropriate, this looks very Roxy. Another iconic Chrome's Pigment Paint. We had three of those just now, do you remember? This is, ooh, this is an avant-garde and this is a light gold. I'm very scared. I don't know if it's pressed. It is pressed! This is from Estee. It's a, I think it's a skincare brand from the UK. I've never really heard of it, but ooh, check this out. Oh crap. An expert guide to finding inner calm. So it's a very zen concept. Why wait for the world to turn when a deep breath and a step forward can change everything? I thought this was a product guide. I thought they were being cute by saying like an expert guide to finding inner calm, but it actually is a guide on finding inner calm. So I'm gonna read this in my spare time. So I'm gonna try all of these out. Thank you so much. Look fantastic. You have served a sister. Up next, we have Lazada. So they said they were gonna send me some like stuff that I could use to get ready with. It's not very filled lah, but let's go through it. This is from Elizabeth Arden. It is their peel off mask. This is from Etude House. This is their matte chic lip lacquer. So the one thing that I've always loved and never bought from Estee Lauder is their double wear foundation. I'm so excited. 18-year-old Brenda is so excited. It's just, dude, I've been eyeing this since I was 18, but I always have like too many foundations. I chose the NARS one over this for my prom, and then I just never had a reason to buy it anymore. And this is the Advanced Night Repair Serum. And I have one more item right here. This is their, ooh, it's a lipstick, sis. Estee Lauder always looks so classy. Oh god, this is so pretty. This is from Elizabeth Arden. It is their Liquid Lip Rouge. It's a gloss. Oh, it's a very thin. I thought it was going to be a lip pencil. Okay, last thing from Etude House, I think is an eyeshadow. It's called Prism Eyes. You can actually use this as a blush, I think. It reminds me a lot of Orgasm, which is what I have on my face. People who don't know that NARS Orgasm is a blush would be very weirded out by that sentence. Right now I'm just like casually placing all of the boxes around the place and I have a huge mess here. Can y'all see the mess? I'm so sorry if you can, gosh. Alright, I have cleared the space and move this here. Okay, I'm gonna zoom y'all in so that I can stand behind. This is from Innisfree. I actually got this gigantic present, it's what it is, at the Christmas dinner event. I only opened it to this point to like check out everything. These are perfumed diffusers. I actually saw them at the event. I didn't know that they were gonna give this to us too. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. So this is what they look like. You just put that in and then it's just, it's so cute. This one is called Dreaming of Santa. It's of a soapy musk kind of, that's quote-unquote soapy musk. And this is Dreaming of Rudolph and this is a fruity one. This is a DIY Christmas stocking kit. Merry Green Christmas. And it's a stocking kit. Like little stickers too. It's like a fun little DIY project. Okay, I'm into it. There are two more. I'm gonna give this away to my friends. It's the green tea seed cream in its own little like Christmas packaging. Y'all, this is super cute. This is a limited edition Dreaming of Santa soapy musk. Okay. And this obviously needs no introduction. This is the green tea seed cream, also in its own fancy little packaging. So right here you get a set of 6 hand creams. And this is a set of lip balms. I love tinted lip balms. It's actually the thing that I wear the most because I just love how fuss-free they are. They're so cute! Next up is a Eucerin box. They have this new, like, yeah, this is it. The Hyaluron Filler Overnight Treatment, and this is how it looks like. I'm gonna have to speed through this a little bit faster because it is taking a really long time. I'm actually gonna do a separate one comparing the two and talking about like snack boxes in general because y'all liked it, y'all requested it from the previous one, and I'm gonna deliver. Okay, next one. This one is humongous. Don't know what's in it. Okay, I'm gonna open it with you guys. Ooh. Oh, I know what this is. This, my friends, is the Look Fantastic Advent Calendar. I loved the one last year and I was super sad because I couldn't bring back this box because it's a draw. Shall we start with one, guys? I think we should. Okay. This is from HD Brows. It is a contour and color pro palette. You have your contouring shades, you have a peach shade. I'm excited. Okay. I'm gonna save the rest. I'm not gonna peek into it. I'm gonna put this back. I'm not gonna open any of the rest, but I'm just so excited. Look at how freaking big and beautiful this is. Final item is this. I actually have no idea what it is. So I am gonna open it. It's huge. It's an advent calendar too. I love advent calendars. I like being surprised. I like, you know, pleasant surprises. Shall we see what is in number 1? Is this an Eve Lom cleanser? Yes, it is! This is an Eve Lom cleanser cream. I think I actually have one of these already. I might give this away. We'll see. I want to do a declutter also, so I think I'm gonna include that and then do a gigantic giveaway. Very Great Gatsby Art Deco kind of style, no? So that is it. That is all of the unboxing. You are looking at me and you see like this is a relatively clean background now, but I am now looking at everything that has been unboxed and it is everywhere. I'm feeling very paiseh now because it's really a lot of stuff and I hope you guys don't feel bad or anything because it is my job. Like, this is something that I do and I review so that you guys can make an informed decision on whether or not to buy it. I'm just very excited because now I have a lot of material to create videos with. I think it's really fun. Like, if you want to see more, like, let me know because I would love to do them for you because I just behave like this when I am unboxing my stuff anyway. So it's nice that you're here to share the excitement with me and see what stuff you guys are interested in. Like, if you are actually interested in any of these things, please leave them down below because it helps me like prioritize which reviews to do first. I'm just so excited. So if you like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up. Do it. Let me know you like it if you want more. Also, don't forget to subscribe by hitting that button down below. Also, while you're down there, don't forget to turn on your post notifications to, you know, be notified when I make a new video, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching. I know this was a really long video. If you stuck with me all the way until now, I'm very thoroughly thoroughly impressed. I didn't even want to stick with myself for that long. I actually ran this video and then stopped it and tried again, so you know, it's a lot. And I'm gonna stop talking. Bye! I gotta come over and turn it off lah. I don't have a cameraman, so... Woo!